Hey there, in this video I will share with you 5 affiliate platforms that you should definitely check out if you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to explore more options. In this video, I'll cover all the key features and benefits of each platform, and compare them with one another so that you can easily understand which one suits you the best. If you're completely new to affiliate marketing and don't know how to make money with it, don't worry. I've got you covered. I have a previous video where I explain everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, so please make sure to check that out before watching this video. And if you've already watched it, then welcome back. Before starting, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that you never miss out our latest videos. And if you find this video valuable, please give a like and share with your friends and family. Alright, let's get started. First up is Amazon Associates, which is one of the largest and most well-known affiliate programs out there. One of the key benefits of Amazon Associates is the sheer number of products available for promotion. With millions of products across dozens of categories, you're sure to find something that fits your niche. Another great feature of Amazon Associates is their competitive commission rates. Depending on the product category, you can earn up to 10% in commissions. Amazon Associates also offers a robust set of tools for tracking clicks and sales, as well as creating custom links and banners for your site. The downside to Amazon Associates is that their commission rates can be lower than some other programs, and they do have a shorter cookie duration of only 24 hours. I hope you don't know about cookies, right? Let me explain. So, cookies are small pieces of data that websites store on your computer or mobile device. They help websites remember information about you, like your preferences or login information, so you don't have to re-enter it every time you visit. Now, when it comes to the Amazon affiliate program, cookies play a big role in tracking referrals and earning commissions. Whenever someone clicks on an affiliate link and makes a purchase on Amazon, a cookie is set to track that referral and credit the affiliate with a commission. The cookie duration in the Amazon affiliate program is set to 24 hours, which means that if someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase within 24 hours, you earn a commission. However, if they come back to make the purchase after 24 hours, the referral won't be tracked and you won't earn a commission. Some affiliates find this duration too short, as it can be difficult to earn commissions if someone doesn't make a purchase right away. However, it's important to note that Amazon has a high conversion rate, and many users make purchases quickly after clicking on an affiliate link, so there is still potential to earn commissions even with a short cookie duration. I hope you have understand what cookies are. Next up is ClickBank, which is a popular affiliate network for digital products like ebooks, courses, and software. One of the biggest advantages of ClickBank is the high commission rates, which can range from 30% to 75% depending on the product. ClickBank also offers a wide range of products across multiple niches, so you can find something that fits your audience. Additionally, ClickBank provides detailed analytics and reporting, so you can track your sales and earnings. However, ClickBank's user interface can be somewhat confusing, and some products may not be of the highest quality. ShareASale is another popular affiliate network that offers a variety of products across multiple niches. One of the benefits of ShareASale is the large number of merchants in their network, which means you have a wide range of products to choose from. ShareASale also offers competitive commission rates and a user-friendly interface for tracking clicks and sales. One downside to ShareASale is that their approval process can be somewhat strict, so it may take some time to get accepted into the program. Commission Junction, also known as CJ Affiliate, is one of the largest affiliate networks out there. Like ShareASale, Commission Junction offers a wide variety of products across multiple niches. It also offers a robust set of tools for tracking clicks and sales, as well as creating custom links and banners for your site. One advantage of Commission Junction is their deep linking capabilities, which allow you to link to specific pages within a merchant's site. However, Commission Junction's commission rates can be lower than some other programs, and their user interface can be somewhat difficult to navigate. Finally, we have the eBay Partner Network, which is an affiliate program specifically for promoting eBay products. One of the benefits of the eBay Partner Network is the huge range of products available for promotion, including both new and used items. eBay Partner Network also offers competitive commission rates, which can range from 50% to 70% depending on the product category. Additionally, eBay Partner Network offers a variety of tools for tracking clicks and sales, as well as creating custom links and banners for your site. However, the downside to the eBay Partner Network is that their cookie duration is only 24 hours, which means you'll need to promote products that have a high likelihood of selling quickly. So, which affiliate program is right for you? It really depends on your niche, your audience, and your goals. If you're promoting physical products, such as beauty or fashion items, then Amazon Associates or eBay Partner Network may be the best choice for you. They offer a wide range of physical products, from books to electronics to clothing, and you can easily promote them on your website or blog. On the other hand, if you're promoting digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or software, then ClickBank may be a better fit for you. ClickBank specializes in digital products and offers high commission rates for promoting them. Another important factor to consider is your audience. What type of products are they interested in? What are their needs and desires? You want to make sure that the products you're promoting align with your audience's interests and needs. This will increase the likelihood of them clicking on your affiliate links and making a purchase. Finally, consider your goals. Are you looking to make a high commission rate per sale, or are you more interested in promoting a wide range of products? Share sale and commission junction are both great options for those who want to promote a wide range of products across multiple niches. However, their commission rates may be lower than other programs, so you'll need to consider whether the potential volume of sales outweighs the lower commission rate. In summary, choosing the right affiliate program for you depends on your niche, audience, and goals. Consider the type of products you want to promote, your audience's interests and needs, and whether you're more interested in a high commission rate per sale or promoting a wide range of products. With some research and careful consideration, you can find the perfect affiliate program to monetize your website or blog.